I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Private Health Services Plan, or PHSP, and how it works when you have no T4 employees. What the PHSP allows you to do is pay for 100% of your and your family's medical expenses, 100% tax-free through your business. PHSPs have been around since the early 1980s. It was introduced with IT Bulletin 519. It's now actually regulated by the Federal Life and Health Trust. We, PUHL Employee Benefits, represent the certified general accountants for Alberta as well as Manitoba and the Better Business Bureau. The things you're allowed to put through the Private Health Services Plan is the same things that are eligible for your medical expense tax credit. So CRA defines these as anything that is medically necessary and performed by a licensed practitioner, or anything that is prescribed by a licensed practitioner and dispensed through a pharmacy. And so that's of course going to have your dentist, doctor, vision, but you're going to have massage therapy, acupuncture, osteopath, naturopath, psychologist, psychiatrist. The list goes on and on. You can find a full list of the eligible expenses on the CRA website, on our website, or by contacting us at the information provided at the end of this video. So now, over and above that list of eligible medical expenses, you can now actually buy other health plans or sub-plans and also submit those to the Private Health Services Plan and pay for them with before-tax dollars rather than with after-tax dollars. The first plan that I'll tell you a little bit about is called our Catastrophic Health Base Plan, and it has 4 components to it. The cost of the plan is $150 a year, so $10.50 a month, and that's going to cover yourself, your spouse, and all of your dependents. The first component of the plan is travel insurance. So it's going to cover you for $1.5 million per injury or sickness with a $0 deductible. And that's going to give you 60 days of coverage. So as soon as you leave Alberta, you can go anywhere in the whole world. You have 60 days of coverage. As soon as you come back to Alberta for one day, you can leave again and have another 60 days. The second part of the plan is a $2,000 per person in-province health deductible. So what that means is if any person in your family, if their health expenses reach $2,000 in any given year, this plan will kick in and pay up to $125,000 per year for 2 years. So it's a nice little umbrella. It's a little cap that you know your health expenses will never go above that $2,000 limit. The third thing is a will documentation and preparation kit. And the fourth thing is a legal assistance line. We give you a number that you can call a lawyer at the other end. We'll answer any questions you have about absolutely anything. It can be business related, personal related, and they'll give you free advice. Another plan that we like to tell business owners about that we find provides tremendous value is called the Alberta Blue Cross Non-Group Card. And it's actually administered right through Alberta Health and Wellness. What it is your senior's benefit card that everyone gets when you turn 65. But in Alberta, you can actually buy that card before you turn 65. And what it's going to allow you to do is pay for 70% of your prescription cost with your 30% capped at $25. And you can buy 3 months worth of prescriptions at once. There are some other coverages on the plan, some ambulance, some home nursing care, etc. The biggest part is the prescription drugs. Other plans that work well with the Private Health Services Plan are going to be your individual health plans, such as the Alberta Blue Cross Individual Plan A, B, or C, or Group Medical Services Plan. Now you can actually pay those premiums through your business tax-free. You're going to take those premiums now and submit them through the PHSP and get reimbursed through your business. So to put this into perspective, where you win as the business owner is that now all of your family's medical expenses are tax-free. So right now, for you to spend $1,000 at the dentist or on health expenses in a 40% tax bracket, that means you have to make $1,666 to give the $666 to the government, which is the 40%, to spend your $1,000. With us, we charge 5% per claim. So on $1,000, we'd charge $50. That means that on every $1,000 you're spending on health expenses, we're saving you $616 in tax. How the claims process works is first we get a completed registration form back from you, and then we get an enrollment form which is going to have the names and birth dates of your dependents and your spouse. Then we get a void check from the business account as well as one from the personal account. Now you will go out and purchase these medical expenses personally. keep all of your original receipts, and then you're going to submit those receipts in a claim to us. Once we receive your claim, we go through, make sure that all of their expenses are medically necessary. Then we never take money out of your business account without telling you about it first. So when we receive your claim, we send you an electronic authorization form for you to sign off on, and you can either scan and email that back to us or else fax it back, and then we will process your claim, and we'll take the money out of your business account with our 5% and then deposit the money right into your personal account. So just to recap, what the Private Health Services Plan allows you to do as a business owner is pay for 100% of your and your family's medical expenses tax-free through your business. It's not complicated. We keep it simple. We stick to the CRA guidelines. I encourage you to speak to your accountant before signing up. And if you have any questions, please do contact us. Congratulations. All of your health expenses are now 100% tax-free.